Immaculate condition. The Polar Chevrolet Mazda Edge. Perfect color combination. Thank you for taking the time to look at this gorgeous 2007 Chevrolet Impala. Connoisseurs of great taste rejoice. The Impala is here, ready to indulge your senses with its refined amenities. New car test drive set it. Will be on many family sedan shopping lists. A clean, neat, pleasing design that's not so homogenized as to be boring. It's an attractive car. It is nicely equipped with features such as the Luxury Edition Package rear spoiler, flip and fold flat rear seat, and leather-appointed seating and preferred equipment Group 2 LT leather-wrapped steering wheel mounted audio controls, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and all-speed traction control. GM certified pre-owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12-12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, but also up to a 5-year/100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 117-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a complete Carfax vehicle history report. Polar is the safest, easiest place on earth to buy a vehicle. No kidding. Call, email, or stop by today.